What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to turn this image into that hand draw image. Simple, easy, effective and for free directly on Canva. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, find the design to the size that you need. In my case it's going to be social media post. Then review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over apps and click on it. Once on apps, into search Canva apps, type Sketchify, just like this. Click into this first result. Turns your photo into hand draw. Click on open. Select your file. Then you can choose the style, okay? We have classic, paper, all up to you. Let me choose a different style now. You can make it colored or not, up to you, and you can apply custom instructions, okay? For example, use notebook lines as background, for example, up to you. Then, click on Sketchify. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. In my first attempt, it took almost like 2 minutes. But it changes according to the server's usage, of course. And remember, there is an usage limit per day. You can create one or two images per day. So if you hit the limit, all you have to do is restart. Or, for example, use a different Canva account. And here is the result I got out of my image using the different style. Simple, easy and effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to choose the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and subscribe our channel for more Canva tutorials.